Welcome back to Learn and Chill English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. It's great to have you here again. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep improving your English with us every day.
Today, we're going to learn something super useful: how to talk in English at the airport.
Exactly. Traveling can be stressful, especially if you're not confident speaking English. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to check in, go through security, board your flight, and ask for help if you need it.
Let's start from the beginning, arriving at the airport. When you arrive, you might hear, "Where are you flying to?" "Can I see your passport, please?" "Do you have any bags to check in?"
You can answer, "I'm flying to New York. Here's my passport." Yes, I have one suitcase.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm flying to London. Here's my passport. I have 2 bags to check in.
Perfect. Remember to speak clearly and smile. Airport staff are used to helping travelers, so don't be afraid to ask questions.
Now let's talk about check-in. At the counter, the airline agent might ask you, "Do you have your ticket? How many bags are you checking in? Would you like a window or aisle seat?"
You can answer, "Yes, here's my ticket. I'm checking in 1 bag. Window seat, please."
Then they might say, "Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is 25." Or, "Your flight boards at 7:30.
Let's do a quick example conversation.
Good morning."
Good morning. Can I have your passport and ticket, please?
"Sure, here you go."
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags?
"Yes, 1 suitcase."
All right. Here's your boarding pass. You'll board at gate 14.
"Thank you very much."
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Simple, polite, and easy to understand.
After check-in, you go through security. The security officers might say, "Please take off your shoes and belt. Put your laptop in a separate tray. Empty your pockets, please."
You can say, "Okay, sure, no problem."
And if you don't understand, it's okay to ask, "Can you repeat that, please? Sorry, what should I do?"
That's very common. They'll usually explain again slowly.
Now let's move to the next step, finding your gate. You can look at the screen and say, "What gate is my flight? Where is gate 25? Is this the way to gate 12?
You might also ask airport staff, "Excuse me, where is the boarding area for flight 202? And they might answer, "It's down the hall to your left."
Let's practice that short dialogue.
"Excuse me, where is gate 18?
It's straight ahead, then turn right."
"Thank you very much."
You're welcome.
Now it's time to board your flight. You might hear announcements like, "Flight 102 to Paris is now boarding. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. We are now boarding passengers in Group A."
When it's your turn, you can say to the agent, "Good evening. Here's my boarding pass." And they might answer, "Thank you. Enjoy your flight."
You can respond, "Thank you.
Let's try a short boarding conversation.
Good evening.
Good evening. Boarding pass, please?"
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Thanks." Easy, right? That's exactly what you'll hear in real life.
Now let's imagine you're on the plane. You can use these common phrases. "Excuse me, is this seat taken? Can I sit here? Can I have a blanket, please? Can I have some water, please?"
And the flight attendant might say,
"Sure."
"Here you go. Please fasten your seatbelt. We'll be landing soon."
Let's repeat together. "Can I have some water, please? Can I have a blanket, please? Please fasten your seatbelt."
Nice job. You sound like a polite and confident traveler already.
Now, when you arrive at your destination, you'll have to go through immigration. The officer might ask, "What's the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Where will you stay?"
You can answer, I'm here on vacation. I'll stay for 2 weeks. I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel.
Let's do a short dialogue example.
Good morning. What's the purpose of your visit?
Vacation.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
Where will you stay?
At the Grand Hotel.
All right. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Perfect. Always stay calm, answer clearly, and be polite.
Now the last step, picking up your luggage. You can ask, where is baggage claim? Where can I find my suitcase? My bag didn't arrive. What should I do?
And if you lose your luggage, you can say, I think my bag is missing. My suitcase didn't come. Can you help me, please?
Let's do one last example.
Excuse me, where is baggage claim for flight 206?
It's over there, carousel number 5.
Thank you. Nice and easy.
All right, let's review what we learned today.
We talked about every step at the airport. Check-in, security, boarding, and arrival.
You also learned how to ask for help, answer questions, and speak politely with airport staff.
Let's practice a few final sentences. Repeat after me. I'm flying to New York. I have 1 suitcase. Can I try this on? Just kidding. Can I see your passport, please? Where is gate 10? Here's my boarding pass. Have a nice flight.
Excellent. You're ready to travel confidently in English.
Tell us in the comments, where would you like to travel next?
We'd love to know.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn English with us.
Thanks for watching Learn and Chill English. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.